Okay. Now we're going to do a second tomato. Alright. I always throw the bits out. Now you can do it a second way by dicing once, twice, this way, and then you can slice it this way, thinner, and then this way. For smaller, if you want different, smaller bite sizes. Okay. But when you're making a salad, just don't ever have a piece so too big that is too big to chew, so just get everything bite size. Okay. Now I've got two whole big, these were big tomatoes. Let me wash my hands again. And rinse. I washed and rinsed my hands, and now I dried my hands. So now I'm putting a second tomato in here. We're going to be recording and working on the roof today, and putting up a new ceiling in one of the bedrooms. Okay, so basically I'm done with this knife. That knife also goes in there, and this other knife goes in for the wash. Let me wash this, and then I'm going to be right back and rinse and get another one. Now I want to put a bit of yellow in here. So I don't want to do a lot of work on it, so I don't have a block of cheese. So I'm going to take this cheese, and then my hands are clean because as you know, I've been washing it. I'm going to tear up a slice of cheese into little bits to add, just to add a little bit of cheese flavor. Now pick your favorite cheese. This just happens to be cheddar. And so that was one slice. Two slices will be plenty for this salad, just to give it a cheese flavor, and then I'm going to toss. Again, the reason I toss so many times, it likes and stir it. Each time you're doing that, you're just mixing it up more. Giving it added flavor. Two slices is plenty for what I want to do. Alright, now we're going to check on the macaroni again. Alright, it's done. It is done. You can tell when it's doubled, in this case tripled in size. Okay, we're about ready to put this salad together. I'm going to turn off the Ninja. My hand is dry and clean. Unplug, and I'll be right back with you when I drain it. Da 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 da. Ah, yeah, here's my gloves. Here's my gloves. Here's my gloves. I'm going to strain this, and I'm right here, and I haven't left you. And I'm draining the water. Hot water. Okay, I'm going to be right back. I didn't burn my hands. I drained safely using a glove. Shaking it. Okay. Now we have all the macaroni on the top. Remember, all the good mixed-in stuff is underneath. So, I'm now going to carefully toss this. And look at that. You can see all these wonderful flavors together. If you feel, now if you don't want to use mayonnaise, salad dressing, if you want to use like salad dressing like French or ranch or Thousand Islands, feel free to, or whatnot. But you want to mix this thoroughly by tossing, gently tossing. You want to get all the flavors together. Now, I don't think I need to add any more whipped dressing. I managed to put enough in there because you want to get the dressing, your flavor, over every single piece of your salad. Now, for tossing, you go down to the bottom, lift up, and gently pick, and that gets it all mixed up, just thoroughly. And it takes only about a few minutes. Okay, now I'm going to get a alright, and I put the dishes right in the clean dishwasher water because I wash them up as I cook. It saves on it. Now let me get a little bowl and a spoon, and I'm going to taste test it for you. Nice cute little bowl, one of the dessert bowls. Now, when I took a piece, I wanted to make sure I got everything because there's everything I love in here. I got some nice onions, and let me give you a taste test. Oh gosh, Let me just get another bite. Let me get another bite. It is so good. All right, it's just delicious. I love it, and it's seasparkles spring salad. And you saw everything we did in it, so there it is. Thanks for watching. Feel free to share. Feel free to subscribe. And as always, the fun never ends on Seasparkles Corners. Hugs and kisses from my family to yours. You guys mean everything, and I'm happy to share this new recipe with everyone. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye, everybody.